of orders go through, either real ones or test transactions, you can take a look at them in the back end. Let's go to Downloads and then Payment History to see all of the orders. Unlike physical goods, where you have to manage and fulfill orders, you really don't have to do anything with digital orders. The files should be sent automatically. It's just here as confirmation. Let's take a look at one of the orders. Let's go to this one and click View Order Details. You can see all sorts of information like what files were sent and who the customer is and some billing information. But what you might actually have to do here on occasion is refund someone. And depending on the gateway you're using, you can do this straight from EDD. Since Stripe is such a great gateway, and that's what we've been using throughout this course, we can do it right here. So let's say this customer did want a refund. We can go to Status Complete and change it to Refunded. And then notice that this little checkbox appears. If you check it, then the payment will be refunded through Stripe. This seems obvious, but up until a few years ago, this wasn't possible with EDD or any other WordPress plugin for that matter, so it is a very nice feature that can save you a lot of time. Let's complete this so the charge is actually refunded. And you can see a log of all payments, including refunds and initial charges, right here. Now, if you want to do a partial refund, I recommend you do that through your payment gateway because you have a little bit more control there and you can refund any amount. Once you do refund an order, that will prevent the items from being downloaded. So if they haven't yet downloaded the product, they won't be able to. And you can actually check that. Over here on the right, we can see our logs. We can see what's been downloaded, what the customer has downloaded in general, and all purchases by that customer. So let's say someone purchased a product, but was so busy they never actually downloaded it. You could still give them a 100% refund, and you could know that they don't have a copy of that product. A friend of mine who sells email templates does this. Once you've downloaded the product, you can't ask for a refund since you probably already have the templates saved somewhere. You can go to the log and actually check if they've downloaded it. In this case, you can see that I have indeed downloaded the file. While we're here, I want to show you two more order statuses that are applicable if you use PayPal. So let's scroll back up. You might find an order that's in the pending or abandoned status. Those might be because of how PayPal is talking with your site. So if you see any orders with the pending or abandoned status, I recommend you read through this help doc. Again, it's just the weird way that PayPal is communicating with your site. If orders are set to complete, you should be good to go. And just as a reminder, you can find that under the Payment History page, where the status is listed right here.